Namaskar and hello everyone. It is very heartwarming to know that Indian Classical Music Circle is celebrating Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab Memorial Week, which began on 28th August, which also happens to be his 92nd birth anniversary day. For a student of music like me to talk about such a towering music personality is not only difficult, but it is next to impossible. I remember a couple of years back when I heard his recording of Rag Puriya in Guru Purnima celebrations of Pandit Arvind Parikh. I was in tears. Such was his playing in that recording. It had so many elements which one musician can spend many lives to achieve, and I was really astonished that the meditativeness, the lyrical part, the Gayak Young, the tans which he had taken, I'm too small to talk about it, to be honest. But there he goes, that he was such a great musician. In fact, in Hindi, I would say that Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab ये ऐसे संगीतकार थे कि जो अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट सितार पे हावी हो गए थे, and that is why he could make his sitar sing through his music. His life's last concert was for my organization on the occasion of second memorial concert of my father, late Pandit C.R. Vyas. And I remember, in spite of his indifferent health, Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab gave such a memorable concert that the notes of Rag Bhairavi are still lingering on my mind. Whenever I visited USA for my concerts, I made it a point to go to his house to meet him, because my place of stay in New Jersey was very, very close to his house in Princeton area. So I used to walk down, and he always showered love and affection on me. He would never allow me to go without having lunch or dinner. I would like to conclude by saying that though physically he is not here, he will always be around us through his celestial music. And I also consider myself fortunate to receive his love, affection and blessings, which I will cherish throughout my life. I pay my respects and sincere pranams to Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab. Thank you very much.